Hey guys.
Hi.
Okay, so we are here with our Birchbox.
Yeah.
A little bit different. We're doing it vlog style because we're not sure when we can get together to film it, and we just got it, so we kind of wanted to do a real-time unboxing for you so you didn't have to wait and we could actually jump in and see what we got.
We figured why not?
Yeah, why not?
It's car vlog. Birchbox unopening. Unboxing.
I can't wait because videos and stuff are starting to go up, and I like to be surprised. We both like to be surprised, so we wait to watch people's subscription box video or blog post or whatever, and
we even came prepared.
I know.
Got our scissors and everything. Fancy like that.
we're fancy.
And I know that I'd seen something saying that Birchbox kind of rebranded or changed their image. This is their new logo, which is it's cute. Looks real modern.
And then it's
I
always slice mine, but it's
oh,
white.
it's heavy.
I hope that means it's got something good in it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna try not to look at yours again.
All right.
Oh, look at the inside. I mean, this is silly, but it's like
it. It's printed.
Chevron
pattern.
pattern.
Yeah.
Cute.
All right, we're gonna set the card aside for a second and just go right in for the kill.
I'm looking at yours. I'm already looking at mine. Okay.
Okay.
I think we got the same again.
Really?
Which is cool.
All right, what's this? Hold on, what's that?
Suki face.
Suki face. Exfoliate foaming cleanser, lemongrass extract, and natural sugar. SukiSkincare.com. It looks like
Let's open it.
beads.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh. It smells really good.
Oh, yeah, okay. Looks like
This is for your face?
It looks like
or your body?
It looks like a lip scrub, but it's foaming cleanser. I guess we'll find on the card if it's
Okay.
Smells pretty good.
Smells really good.
Cute little packaging.
All right,
Okay.
what's this? Laboratories Chlorine Extra Gentle Dry Shampoo with Oat Milk.
Hey, look at that.
Frequent use, cleans hair without water.
I've never heard of this brand.
Never. Is this like a Greek brand or something?
Chlorine Laboratories.
Or French or...
Yeah, it's made in France.
Cool.
Huh.
Oh, this will be interesting.
No, I'm not going to do it here.
No, you can. I was just going to say I'm kind of curious to know what it smells like.
It was right.
Ah!
Oh, it smells good.
It does.
It smells light. Sorry. I was like, I'm going to spray it on her
It's
windshield.
so powerful. All right, what's
That's
this?
definitely something we can use. That's exciting. Okay.
Marinesse Glossy Kiss Starlet. Oh, it's like a NARS lip pencil, but it's full size.
You got the same color?
Perfect Kiss. 14,
Yeah.
number 14.
Yeah, the same one.
Hold on, let me see. Let me swatch. Oh, it's pretty. Ooh, I like the way it feels too. Nice. It reminds me a lot of NARS.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Very
I'm excited.
nice.
This is a full size. I wonder if it's...
I like it.
We'll keep you posted on what we think. If we think it's moist, it has a gloss to it.
Again, I've never heard of the brand.
Me neither.
But that's awesome. What is this bonus Birchbox exclusive offer? Try it free, instant lash transplant, 24-hour brush on, lash fiber extension kit. It's like looks like a three-step thing that you can get. Try it free.
Yeah.
It says it's a $90 value.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey.
They're probably already all gone. It says limited stock.
This is good so far. I'm
I'm
happy.
excited about this.
Yeah, the lip pencil and this dry shampoo is pretty exciting. And we have one of these little things again. I just love how they do these little things, little boxes, so it doesn't... It leaves a little more mystery to what's in here.
Book in here too. We'll look at that in a minute.
June 13 box.
Oh!
Wait, what'd you get?
Happy
Me too.
Yay! A nail polish.
It's Color Club in Rain and Spain.
Wait, can y'all see that color? Pretty.
It is like neon coral.
I am all about
I
that.
love it. You have something else in there too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
What's this?
100% pure coconut nourishing body cream and vanilla bean.
Cool.
Body cream looks like so.
Made by Purity Cosmetics in Napa, California.
Huh.
Interesting.
Napa. Okay, cool. I'm excited. I like everything.
I am.
This is a gorgeous nail color. I don't know.
I'm so excited about that.
That's a gorgeous nail color.
Yeah, that might go on my toes right now.
It says this box is all about Wonderlust. Did you guys ever see that movie? That was hilarious. Did you ever see that movie? Jennifer Aniston?
Jennifer Aniston? I did not see it. No.
Really funny.
Wait, and these are a bunch of little postcards.
Oh.
There's a New York one.
Oh, how cute is that?
A Paris one, a London, and a Barcelona.
Okay.
I want to go to Paris, London, and Barcelona.
Do you know how cute these little postcards are? I'm telling you, do you know what I would do with them? I would go to IKEA, which we don't have an IKEA, which I'm bummed about, and they have the little $4 picture frames with the black picture frames.
I think is what they're called.
And it has the mat inside, and you can mat these and make art. That's what I would do. I think I'm going to do that.
They're so cute.
Oh, I love it. I think that's adorable. Why does that's exciting?
Look, it's like in London, that's the London Eye and Big Ben.
That was so cute.
A little cafe, a double-decker bus.
Yeah, it says, counting down the days until your next takeoff, we're mentally assembling the ultimate packing list for Bora Bora. Corralling the family for a beach getaway. We feel you. When wanderlust strikes, it sticks. That's why this month's box is filled with samples from near and far that will serve you well on all your summer adventures. That's cool.
So what does it say about this, the Suki
It
face?
says full size is $32.95, and that it's a 2-in-1 cleanser and exfoliator that magically lathers and smells deliciously lemony.
Okay, so
You massage a nickel size amount onto damp skin, then rinse. So I guess it's an all over.
well, it's
It says face.
It says face.
Grr.
No, I'm der. I didn't read it.
What do you?
Okay, what about the dry shampoo?
That is full size is $18, and it's beloved by celebs. This award-winning oil buster revives second-day strands, holds about 10 inches away from your head, spray evenly onto roots. So okay.
Cool. What about the lip pencil?
Well, this is full size, and it's $26.55 is what it costs to get one.
Wow.
It says user-friendly pencil is goof-proof way to score high impact lips. Layer it on for a glossy look or blot for a pretty matte stain.
And this is from an Australian company.
That's awesome.
It says it's made in Taiwan, but 100% Australian owned.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then the little Color Club nail polish, the full size is $8. And it's exclusive neon pastel shade inspired by 4 of our favorite cities.
Cool.
So that's Spain.
Love it.
And then the little body creams, full sizes of those would be $15 each. And it's an all-natural body lotion made with skin-softening fruit oils. Yeah. I like this box. I'm happy with it.
I'm really happy with the lip pencil and the nail polish. Super happy with those right off the bat. The
when my gloss wears off, I'm going to totally put this on.
Yeah, I'm curious about the dry shampoo, and I'm curious about the Suki face.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Why do I like to say Suki face? It reminds me of True Blood. Suki. Suki. Of course, I never even watched True Blood last season, so I have no idea what's going on with it, and it's about to come back on. Are you a True Blood watcher? If you are, you should leave us a comment. Let us know.
We stink. We need to watch.
Don't give anything away.
Yeah.
We're still gonna catch up. Okay, I think that.
Why? Okay, anyway.
I started something bad.
That's it for June Birchbox.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
We're happy.
Wonderland.
Let us know if you got one, what you got, and what you think.
Yeah, again, we tried not to peek at anybody's boxes, and we were successful this month.
Very successful. I like to be totally surprised.
Very surprised.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching.
We'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.